My name is Maira Munene. Yeah, currently I'm employed at Kansanshi training site at Wambula, where I'm training heavy equipment repair. Inspiration actually comes from way back when I was still very young. Yeah, you can note at this point that I actually desired to be a mechanic from the time I was in grade 7. Of course, I was inspired when I saw people fix things, a car at home, and I just felt the interest to be part of those that should fix and solve things. So from then on, I desired to be a mechanic, and thank God I'm a mechanic now. I can safely say NORTEC is well equipped where HER training is concerned, especially the diploma level. There are a couple of new engines there with new technology. It's actually training that is meant to prepare people for the current trends. It's not like training on old stuff and then when you go in industry, you find something that is different. But it is well equipped. When you look at the labs, when you look at the electrical systems and the program itself, the way it is designed, it is actually designed so well that a person that has gone through that successfully is able to perform without problems in industry. And it gives a pre-exposure to what people might encounter when they get on industry. In the education system, we are having a problem of a lag between what is prevailing in industry and what is available in schools. You find that most of the times people are trained on things that might even be obsolete. But the way the arrangement is at NORTEC, is the ZAMITA arrangement, the program there, I think they are on top of things. We are ahead. NORTEC is ahead of the training actually. The electricals, I like the way the electrical training is arranged, basically because it helps the learners to understand the underlying operating principles of the circuits on machines. And I liked electrical particularly because it became an eye-opener. It helped us to understand. As you know, most of the equipment nowadays are going electric and electronic. And it is very important to actually understand the underlying principles of the operations of the electrical system. Many other things, of course, inspired me. The strictness of doing work using the workshop manual is very important because that's one aspect that is making most of the work not to be done very correctly when people are assuming to do something that is correct without consulting the manual. So I like the aspect of following the manuals and also the way the programs are arranged, especially on the electrical part. I don't regret having done because it has added to my knowledge and also has changed my attitude towards the work that I'm doing. I can safely say that I'm performing my work much better after having undergone the training at NORTEC, the HER diploma. The ZAMITA funded program is very good, perfect, according to me. Yeah, but just a few things that maybe would be better adjusted is one, on the candidates that are to be enrolled. The way it is designed, I think it requires learners that have got some kind of base knowledge, not only in school, but some kind of experience so that they have a bit of understanding of certain things. And then also the recording of student progress. I think it must be done more on an individual basis so that no one is left behind. Because what I saw is that when people are doing a project in a group, you find that even people that are not concentrating, people that are not even there sometimes, in the end, it's more like you get a collective score, which is not very good, because those are the few people that are going to misrepresent the institution at some point in industry. Because if one has qualified them, they are expected to perform, and then if they don't perform, then the institution is greatly misrepresented. So maybe the recording of scores and also the caliber of learners that are to be enrolled. To me, I think ZAMITA has to really look at those two things. The thing that I like most about my job is to face new things and challenges. Because with challenges, we tend to widen our knowledge base, because you encounter things that you don't know and then you've never experienced. So it gives an opportunity for you to further your knowledge about the field that you are in. That is what I like most. Challenges, they are stressful, but they are beneficial at the end of it all. Success in this industry is based mainly on the self-motivation and the commitment. I can tell you that being a technician in the mechanics or repairs of machines is not an easy thing. You are sometimes supposed to know something over and over, and also you don't have to deal it with a flat heart. You need to be strong all the time and always aim at the best results, regardless of the processes that you have to undergo. Because at the end of all, it should be the ultimate goal that we should look at. Are we fixing things? Are we making things work better? And at the end of it, we should work smart. If you're not smart, you end up doing too many things for a very, very small result. So people must develop an attitude of a commitment towards work, and also the right attitude, so that you enjoy what you are doing throughout the process. Not looking at it as if it's just a means of survival or something, but it should come from within somebody.